Hey, it's Andreas. I've been investing for over 10 years. In today's video, let's talk about PRCH Group and why stock price increased by 43% as I'm currently recording this video. There's a very simple reason to it. But before we get into that one, let's quickly talk about Investor Day and earnings, because we now have a date. So here on November the 7th, we will have the earnings call. So after markets close here, we'll see earnings for the third quarter. Very interesting. Of course, I will make sure to cover that. The main news for today, and the reason we saw a big price action, is that PRCH Group finally got approval here for a reciprocal exchange. There's a lot of text regarding this, but what this basically means is that PRCH Group is able to take some of the risk of their insurance segment, and they will no longer be as directly impacted by catastrophic weather events as we saw in Q2, where we got a bit of a nasty surprise and stock price plummeted by a third. Very nasty surprise for shareholders. So the market loves stability, predictability, and less risk. And when a small cap stock that's been growing as nicely as PRCH Group has in terms of revenue, in terms of getting very close to that profitability, finally insures themselves, so to say, with this reinsurance, well, then that's very bullish for the stock market. And the way this works is if there comes a huge claim, like the big hailstorm that we saw in Texas that caused a lot of expenses for the company, well, they would cover the cost up to a certain amount, and then above that amount, everything above would be covered by the reciprocal exchange. So in a way, it puts a cap to losses. So if it's a very bad event, it won't be as bad. It will still be a hit, but it will be very manageable, and it takes a lot of risk off for a small cap stock like PRCH Group. That's why we're seeing massive gains today. I hope this helped explain a bit about the increase here that we saw on October 28th, and hopefully more to come on the earnings report that comes here on the 7th next month. Alright, that's been it for this video, and as always, hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now, bye bye.